What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas. Today, I'm going to talk to you about trading penny stocks from a beginner's perspective. And I'm going to talk to you about what penny stocks truly are. So if you are interested, actually, I have a secret for you as well. So stay tuned to the very end and I'll let you know what that secret is. But first, we got to get through this. Penny stock. Well, it's not necessarily what the title is saying. Yes, it can be a penny, but for the most part, a penny stock is anything that is $5 or less. And some penny stocks can actually trade on major markets, like the New York Stock Exchange. But that's not always the case. For the most part, penny stocks are traded over the counter. Penny stocks are extremely fun to trade. It's been a rush trading penny stocks. And the thing is you can get monster returns from penny stocks, but it's taken a lot of time and effort, and that's going to be one of the things I'll talk about later in this video, is really how to prepare. The thing is with penny stocks is you can get a monster gain, a monster run, but you can also have the vice versa, where you get a monster dip and you lose. These are very risky plays, and I wouldn't recommend them for someone who is just starting out into the stock market. Once you get your feet wet and you start to understand the basics of trading and doing things like that, then I would maybe say, hey, it's a good time. I'm still learning, guys, and I'm still, taking some risk, but I've learned enough to where I've made a profit. So if the whole reason why you got into the stock market game was because of penny stocks, which I could see there are people being out there for that, then what I would recommend is to paper trade. And there's two great platforms that allow you to paper trade and practice trading before you ever put a real dollar in. That's going to be TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform, and then there's going to be the Webull platform. If I had to pick between the two, I would pick Webull. I just like its platform a lot better. I think it's a lot more accessible, it flows a lot smoother, and there's just a lot more things that Webull offers that I don't really think Thinkorswim offers. And so when it comes to the trading platform and to paper trade, practice trading, I would recommend Webull for sure. The thing with penny stocks is there's such high volatility, and with volatility comes higher risk, but also an extreme reward. And like I stated earlier, guys, penny stocks tend to swing rapidly, and they rise on percentages, and they go up a certain amount. And you want to be able to get in at the right time, and you want to be able to get out at the right time. And my secret at the end of this is going to help you understand some of that stuff. We've built a basic foundation and understanding of what penny stocks are. I think it's important to go over a term, and that term is going to be stop loss. Guys, I can't tell you how important stop loss is for any beginning penny stock trader. And I'm sure veterans will tell you the same thing. They still utilize a stop loss. Basically what a stop loss is it's going to be a limit that you set that once it's triggered, it will sell that security immediately. And this is huge, because what this is going to do is this is going to prevent major losses, because those can happen, guys. Trust me, I've experienced it. I'm coming to you as a beginning penny stock trader, and I haven't set stop losses, and I've had some major losses. I've learned over time, and I've started setting some stop losses, and it's saved me. And what that allows you to do is that it allows you to learn from your mistakes, and then it allows you to get into other investments. If you were to not set stop losses and you were to just take your losses, there's a good chance that some of these penny stocks can lose so much that you could lose everything that you had in your account. So that's one thing to think about. Now I'm going to provide you some pros and cons, because I think this is very beneficial, especially to any trader, but also going to be to penny stock traders. I am coming out the gate swinging with these pros. Number one on my list is going to be these penny stocks take monster swings. They truly do. You're going to see some major swings in the uptick, and if you get in the right time, you're going to make a large amount of money. That is definitely a pro. Number two on that list is, in some few cases, penny stocks may provide a method to gain access to larger marketplace listings. Basically, if you were to stay with these over time, there's a chance that they could turn into a company like Amazon. Number 3 on that list is going to be penny stocks are a cheaper price. So what that means is that you can get a large amount of shares at a cheaper price, and when these stocks go up in price, you're going to make a large profit. Let me tell you. To the dreaded cons. Number 1 on my dreaded con list is going to be that penny stocks can tend to be flat at times. There may not be a lot of volume, and if you tried to swing trade that penny stock, you may be stuck with it for a long period of time. And if it's in the red, that's not going to be a good thing. Number 2 on that list is there is limited information available on companies' financial soundness or track record. This is very common, especially with penny stocks. You're not going to find a lot of information, and there's a good chance that if you do look it up, they might be a shack out in the middle of nowhere. Number 3 on that list, penny stocks have high probability of fraud and bankruptcy of the underlying company. Just like I said, guys, there is so much risk when it comes to trading penny stocks, but there is so much reward. 5 personal tips that I feel are extremely important before you ever trade penny stocks. And these tips are coming from my own personal experience. So number 1 on my list is going to be do your research. Understand and set a game plan before you ever trade penny stocks that day. Know exactly what you're going to be getting into and know what you're looking for. Number 2 on that list is going to be set up a watch list. And with that watch list, as a beginner, I would say pick 5 stocks. And with those 5 stocks, create alerts. So when it hits alerts, you know exactly where that stock is at. And if that alert is where you're wanting to get in at, then you should do that. You should do homework the night before and the morning of on your watch list. That way you know everything that you're going into the day of the trade. 3 on my list is definitely a penny stock beginner must, and that's going to be executing smart trades. Base it on the information that you've completed, your homework, your watch list, your alerts. Get in when you're supposed to and get out when you're supposed to. Make solid, fluid trades and make good profits. There's no reason to force trades. There's no reason to jump into random trades that you haven't done any research on and just see your money decline. Make smart trades. Number 4 on that list is going to be understanding the day trading rule. And I think this is very important for any beginning penny stock trader. And the reason is because day trading is very serious if you break those rules. So I could create its own video because there's so much information that revolves around the day trading rule that if you really need to find out what it is, I suggest you look it up, but it is definitely on the list because it's very important. And number 5 is going to be patient. Trust me, guys, be patient in your trades. You will see profits once you execute your homework, you do your watch list, you set your alerts, you get in, you're patient, you see your rises, you're hitting your percentages, you sell, and you see those profits. I've seen it done, guys. Trust me. Just be patient in your trades. So you remember that secret I was talking about in the beginning of this video? Well, here it is. Recently, I joined a group that I found on and discovered on Instagram called Penny Power Trading. Let me tell you guys, this is an extraordinary, just extremely helpful group. And basically what it is it's a group that revolves around swing trading and trading penny stocks. I first want to start off by saying I am not sponsored by this group, nor am I getting any form of compensation. I just wanted to share something special that I found and I feel should not go unnoticed for any trader. This group has been extraordinary when it comes to providing helpful tips and watch list, but it comes with so much more. For a beginner like myself, when it comes to penny stocks, I would recommend you swinging by the Instagram page and look at the numerous success stories that comes from this group. I can even say I benefit from this group myself. Also, since penny stocks are a hard concept to understand, the group provides videos for beginners, and these videos discuss the very basics of trading penny stocks. Everything from candlesticks to chart patterns and so much more. This group is very cohesive as throughout the trading day, On the trading floor, callouts are mentioned, and it helps traders really see the unique and amazing ability some traders have. If you are interested in joining, I have posted the link in the website in the description. If you have any questions, send a message on Instagram. That I am not sponsored by this group, and I'm not receiving any compensation. I just want this to be known that this is an extraordinary group that has benefited me in numerous ways, guys, especially as a beginning trader when it comes to penny stocks. This video was helpful for you beginning penny stock traders out there, just like myself. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm gonna keep the content flowing, subscribe to the channel. And as always, have a good day.